President Biden, I would like to first of all express my gratitude to you for your warm words.
We share a strong and growing neighborly defense partnership. The United States and India are going to continue our close consultations on how to manage the destabilizing effects of this Russian war.
In our relations in the last few years, the new momentum that has been created would have been hard to even imagine a few decades ago. I not only appealed for peace, but also suggested that there be direct talks between President Putin and the President of Ukraine. We had extensive discussions on Ukraine in our parliament as well. Recently, the news about the killings of innocent civilians in the Bucha city was very worrying. We instantly condemned the killings and have called for an independent inquiry.
Across the region, the People's Republic of China is attempting to challenge and undermine the sovereignty of its neighbors. And we will continue to stand alongside you as you defend your sovereign interests. Russia's invasion of Ukraine and the humanitarian devastation that it has created are blatant attempts to undermine the international order that is grounded in the rules and the principles that we share.
और मैं इस बात को लेकर बहुत ही पॉजिटिव हूं कि हमारी आज यहाँ की विजिट इंडिया यूएस कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप को अगले स्तर तक ले जाएगी। आपके गर्मजोशी भरे स्वागत के लिए मैं आपको धन्यवाद देता हूं और इस कठिन समय में आज की ये बैठक हमारी पार्टनरशिप को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण सिद्ध होगी। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
I look forward to our discussion.